Some forget for telling about when we did have the little Caesar shoot. Oh, me in there, you know, and she go up to the lady and I get all the info. I see one little youth running. I asked if you're on a date with me.
I'm not getting married to you because I'm married tomorrow already.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Some forget for telling about when we did have the little Caesar shoot. Oh, me in there, you know, and she go up to the lady and I get all the info. I see one little youth running. And he's so excited, so excited. And him go hug her up and I say, alright, you know, another support and fan. And then I see him just lean on her. And him stand up there for the whole time. And him a lean on her. And I see her turn and see something about to see her husband. And him turn and see me and someone go, come here, say.
I didn't know how else to get him to stop.
You look too excited. And then him gonna tell you about what? Hold on. Hold on. Him gonna tell her
Full attack.
about say,
So I asked him if he wanted a picture. This is him. So I said, what that mean? I took it with my eyes. I won't forget.
and then she must take the picture and put it in a F.I.R.E phone.
I look
to
at
have
it.
the memory of him.
Right in front of Brian, you know?
Look at you if you watch the video. I appreciate the support.
It was the most hilarious.
Yes,
Hi,
Steve.
going resource center.
Alright, you know you have to go by the back gate.
Yeah, man, that's fine.
Alright.
Thank you.
Youth. There is support and there is watch yourself. Joe, me and me do.
He was so excited. It was the cutest thing. He was like, my heart. And he might hang on upon me and he might hug me up and he just not let me go.
Me I said to myself, say, who's me did that jealous youth?
Oh God.
Yeah,
She was
me running, you
so
see.
cute.
But I keep enjoy him day, me go and go dream about it.
Hello, gorgeous. Hello, gorgeous. Look at the phone. Say hi, Cufflinks. Hi, Cufflinks. So today is class party day. So we're heading up the hill. Drop off Bria now, heading up the hill. Ooh, this walk, boy. This walk up the hill, man.
This is very hard to get all the way up.
Very hard to get all the way up. Exercise, exercise. Ooh. Go, Bella. Go, Bella. Go, Bella.
On the feet, on the foot, on the foot, on
We're almost there. You know, for the first time since I left high school or school overall, I feel like I miss class party. I want a piece of class party, so yeah! Cheat tricks, ice cream, cake, KFC, pizza. Class party! Why are you yawning like you're tired? The day has just begun in terms of work. Gablex Vamble. We are on our way to Kingston. We have an event at the Pegasus. So got my hair did today. Well, just in a bun, high bun with some curls.
Did my hair today. Just brush it back.
Yeah.
Then I sleep in.
And I sleep in.
you doing?
I'll be hosting with Rushcam. That's Rashane Campbell, social media personality. So I'm looking forward to that as well. I'm excited to work with them. It's my first time emceeing with Rashane, so I'm excited about that. Are you excited?
For you?
Yeah. Yeah. He's excited for me too. Yeah.
Rokiano.
Alright.
Anybody has any Christmas money would like to give me?
I have money.
Please donate to StuffFromTheCuffs. You know the rest. Hello.
At gmail.com.
Thank you.
Yeah, at gmail.com. Yeah, make sure you put a note in it that says from us to Brian. That's for PayPal. Yeah, so I'm heading in to get my makeup done first, then going to get dressed, then heading to the event for debriefing before the actual event, and then the event, and then afterwards, yeah, we'll have a little chit chat. Alrighty, welcome to our event vlog. This is all a part of Vlogmas-ish. I hope that you've been enjoying Vlogmas-ish so far. Brian has been working so hard with editing the videos. Yeah,
Apparel service.
we had a lot of things doing. Yeah, so that is why we also named it Vlogmas-ish, because we may not get to do every single day, but that's the aim. And when we decided to start, Vlogmas had already started, but we said we still are doing it, and so we've been doing. So yeah, come along with us.
Stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and
They look more like all of them look old. Still leather. I'm going to steal the leather.
they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.
So we're gonna be at the Hotel Four Seasons for the night.
We were here for Sterling.
Yeah, we came here about 2 years ago. More than that, 3 years ago. Nice double beds, room looking quaint, and it does its job, right, Mama? It's efficient, it's effective. Bella, what are we doing? We're pulling what? What's that? That's a mirror. And what does the mirror? Hold on, Bria. What does the mirror reveal? What's behind the mirror? What's in here? It's a closet. Yeah. And here's the bathroom. Yeah. Gotta do what you gotta do. Ooh, this is nice.
It has an iron. Guys, I don't know if you remember, but last time when we were at Sterling, I was pulling the curtain like this.
Bella, you were just a little baby.
And I was like, Mom, is it time to go to Sterling yet?
Alright, go, Bria. Stop, Bria.
Hello, darling. Yes, yes. Yes, I'm finally in England. Yes, yes. Yes, finally in England.
Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was.
I'm telling you something about this Vlogmas journey. You take a whole heap of work, you know? when you see YouTubers or content creators producing every single day, give them flowers, give them the support, give them the love. It takes a lot of work, especially if you have a normal schedule, a daily schedule. No matter what it is, it takes a lot of work. So we miss 2 days now because we have the content, but to stop and to edit it and to add more and to be able to upload. And like a while ago, wifey was getting ready for an event she's emceeing, and her dress would just not go up. It was stuck. It got frustrating, and we felt like this is gonna be a failure. She's not gonna be able to go. We're gonna be having to give a refund. The whole works, you know. We're so close to the room, but we can't come out of the bathroom and go in because it would not go up. And two ladies came and they assisted, and we got it up eventually. And you know, it just reminded me the power of teamwork, the power of support, the power of not giving up. So we're not give up on Vlogmas-ish. Book a little hurdle, but we're going to pull through, right? I asked if you're on a date with me.
I'm not doing right because I'm married tomorrow already.
So you can go on a date with you?
Well, yes.
You make up your face, both. Hmm?
Yes.
We sit down together and I ask her if she's on a date and we make up her face. But she's not going to get married to me. I never asked her to get married to me. I just said we can go on a date.
Oh yeah, you can.
What do you want to breakfast?
Pancake and egg.
You want us to eat here and then camp on me? Alright, I guess we'll see. Properly. Got breakfast.
And we're gonna eat on outside of our door.
Yeah. I have a little date with my big daughter. What are you girls doing?
At the pool! No, the pool. Sorry. We're going to the pool. Guys, can I show something right now?
No.
Solid brown. Look what I'm doing. I'm jumping on one foot on the stairs.
Alright, so the first time came was actually around here that we stayed. And because it looks the same, and the pool is right in front, just like the jacuzzi, it felt like we were at the same place.
Go to left, bro.
It's not. So this is the pool. Nice pool.
What a doggy paddle.
Why are you not in the water? Tell them why you're not in the water.
Because I'm cold.
You're cold. Yeah. Answer you.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you
The Meat Studio.
From the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some love. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some love.